This is my easy salmon on croute. Flaky golden pastry, perfectly cooked salmon, and honestly, it's much simpler than it looks. If salmon on croute sounds like too much effort, trust me, this one is easy. Just 4 ingredients, no fuss, and a brilliant recipe to have up your sleeve. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. So I've decided to do this today, not just because I love salmon and my kids absolutely adore the pastry on the salmon on croute, but because Tesco's have got a fantastic deal on at the moment. Look at the size of that, a whole side of salmon, just over a kilo's worth of salmon there for £12.45. I mean, that's a cracking deal. We're not going to use all of that today, so I'll use the rest of it in either a fish pie or I'll freeze it up until I decide what I'm going to cook with it. But it is a fantastic deal, so get yourself down there and definitely get one, if not 2 of those. Stick one in the freezer. So let's get started. I've got here my pan and it's on a medium heat. I want to add to that a good knob of butter and then a little bit of olive oil, just so that butter doesn't burn. Just a little drizzle there. And then our ingredient that's going to coat our salmon is a leek. And I've got a large leek here, which I've just diced up. So you want it nice and small. You don't want it in thick rounds or anything like that. Now, if you don't like leek, switch this out. Spinach works really, really well also. So let's get that in there. And all we want to do with it is actually just sweat this down. So it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so our leek is nicely sweated down now, and now for my second ingredient, which is my secret ingredient, which is the old Boursin, garlic and herb. And we're going to use the whole piece of that, so that's going to go straight into our pan. And what you want to do is just break it down, and we want to melt this down into the pan so it makes a lovely sauce for that leek. That's it, that's melting in there nicely. Just make sure, obviously, all of those leeks are nicely covered with that Boursin. It's going to flavour this dish up beautifully. And that looks about done to me. So that is ready to go. But what I do want to do is let that cool down. So we're going to move that to one side. And while that's cooling down, we're going to move on and address the salmon. So with the salmon, what I did notice, I went through a lot of the packs they had there. They all came with the skin on, and we don't want the skin, not in our en croute. Obviously, if you were doing this a different way, i.e. you're going to pan fry it or put it in the oven, you could just cut this into fillets or cook it whole, leave that skin on, beautiful. But we definitely don't want it in our pastry. So we need to get that off. So you get yourself a nice sharp knife, and you want to gently get your knife in between the flesh and the skin. And you're going to go all the way along, staying as close to that skin as you possibly can. Obviously, we don't want to lose any of that meat, that lovely flesh, to the skin. Bring our salmon back in. Now, there are 4 of us eating tonight, so I'm sort of figuring 1, 2, 3, probably about there. A little bit extra. And that will be frozen, and that is our piece for this evening's dinner. So our 4th ingredient, of course, is the puff pastry. And today I'm using the Just Roll. And the reason for that is it was on offer. So of course I picked some up. And I've just left it in the greaseproof paper that it comes in. And we just have to hope that our salmon fits in there. So grab your piece of salmon. And you just want to lay it in. We need to make sure there is a nice border around either side so that we've got enough room to seal this. And that looks, hopefully, I think maybe just a little bit this way. Just shift it over. We've got quite a bit of room there. I'd say that's about right. Then all you want to do is season it up. So we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Not too much, because obviously our Boursin is seasoned already for us. So we add our cooled leek mixture. You want to just place that on the top and spread it out so that it's covering all of that fish. That's it, just sort of pat it down. You might have a bit too much, you can always save this. I'm sure you're probably going to want to cook this one again. You can always use this for your other piece of salmon that we haven't used. Or of course, unless you're feeding more people than I am this evening. I'd say that's pretty much about right there. That's it. Get rid of that. Now, I did say 4 ingredients, and it is 4 ingredients, but if you want to add a little bit more decadence, and I've decided to, in between filming the different shots, I'm going to add some prawns to mine. So I've just got some frozen prawns. They're already cooked that I've defrosted, and I'm just going to place those on the top so that everyone gets a couple of those in each slice of their en croûte. And I'd say that's pretty much it. Get yourself a beaten egg. You just want to egg wash each of these seams. That's it. Plenty on there. We'll save that for when we want to put it on the top. Get your pastry, and you're going to want to fold that over, and then obviously make sure that everything is nicely sealed. So I just tend to do it with my fingers to start with. Don't want to stretch this too much, but that was a big old piece of salmon. It's going to feed us well this evening. That's it. I think that looks pretty good. A fork, old-fashioned way for me. I'm just going to go around the edges, just making sure that that is nicely sealed so that it doesn't come apart during the cooking process. Obviously, that edge we know is fine because it's just a fold over. Sorry, you probably know if you've watched the channel before, pastry work is not my strongest point. So if I can do this, anyone can. That's it. And then our last edge there. Looks kind of pretty, actually. I'd love to know the secret to doing the one where they sort of put their fingers and then push it in. It looks really nice when they do it. I'm just going to trim that edge up just to make it look a little bit neater. That's my OCD again. That's it. Perfect. And then I want to put a little hole in the top just so that any sort of steam can escape. That looks good. And then our final brush of egg wash all over. And that is it, all nicely coated. So we want to transfer that to a baking tray. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon here at the moment. We're not going to be eating this till about 6 o'clock, so I'm not going to cook it till then. If you are cooking it now, you need to have your oven set to 200 degrees C fan, and this is going to cook for 30 to 35 minutes, or until obviously the salmon's cooked, which it will be in that time, and your pastry is a nice golden brown colour. But as I say, great thing about this recipe, you can make this up to a day in advance. It will sit in the fridge, happy as a clam, until you're ready to cook it for you, your family, and your guests. So our salmon en croûte is now done. I'm way behind schedule. We had some friends pop round. The kids both phoned and said, we're staying out. We're going round to some friend's house. So it's just me and my wife. We've got a massive load of salmon en croûte here. Let's get it off. Yeah. It's looking good. Let's put it onto a board there. And let's get rid of that. Still a little bit hot. And let's cut this open. Let's just have a look and see what's inside. I'm going to cut it straight down the middle. I'm using a serrated knife. I find it works better with the pastry. That's it. Let's have a little look inside there. Actually, I'll tell you what. Let's get one of these. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. Look at the inside of that. Wow. It smells amazing. So let's try a little piece. I'm just going to chop a little bit off here. I don't want to eat my wife's portion. Let's put some of that on there. Oh, just a little snippet. Let's give it a go. Let's see how we've done here. I'm going to take that in one chug. Oh, wow. The salmon is cooked perfectly. The leeks with the Boursin just lift this to another level. The pastry's perfectly crispy, so well done, Just Roll. Absolutely wonderful. That is a real delight to eat and something that I would put on the table with absolute pride. It really is so tasty, but so simple. As I said, 4 ingredients. You saw it come together. Okay, the 5 with the prawns, but wow, what a fantastic dish that is. Absolutely amazing. And all for under £15. What more could you ask for? Guys, that's it from me for today. I really do appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share and comment. What would you have done differently? Or as I said at the beginning, you could do this with leek or spinach. What are you, team leek or team spinach? Let me know down below. I'll put all of the details of today's easy salmon en croûte down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.